Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with only the essentials, an Azure account and a subscription. Sign into the Azure portal and make sure you have contributor or owner rights, otherwise you cannot create resources. Next, pick or create a resource group close to your users for latency reasons. Once done, decide the resource type and a clear name that follows your naming policy. This prepares you to use the Create wizard without interruptions and speeds up the rest of the process. You now configure the resource in detail. Open Create, choose the resource type, virtual machine or storage account for example, and pick the SKU and size based on expected load. This controls cost and performance. Then assign region, attach it to the resource group and virtual network, and set storage or disk options. Also configure identity and access controls so roles and network security groups are applied. Once these settings match you finish by reviewing the summary and pricing estimate, confirm tags, locks, and billing information, then click Create. Monitor the deployment and notifications and check the resource's health and status afterwards. If it fails, inspect activity logs and deployment details first. If something goes wrong, make sure your permissions are sufficient, that region quotas are not exceeded, and that there are no naming conflicts. Once deployed successfully, validate endpoints and access, then apply backups and monitoring to keep it reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.